Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker old-fashioned baked beans. Alright, I started out, I took a pound of pinto beans, and for time's sake, because it took a little while to cook them, I put them in my pressure cooker with 8 cups of water and a teaspoon of salt, left them pressure cook for 25 minutes. Then I let them do a natural release of the pressure. I took them out, rinsed them under some cool water, and put them here in a colander. Alright, now my pressure cooker set on saute high. I wiped it out, I would sit on saute high and it's hot. I have a half a pound of bacon that I cut into small pieces. I'm going to get that in and get that nice and browned up and crispy. Alright, now that my bacon's about halfway brown and I drained off most of the grease, I have a half of an onion that I diced up. I'm going to get it in there and I'm going to saute it in with the bacon so the onions are translucent and soft. Alright, now that my onions are translucent and soft and my bacon's crispy, I'm going to add in a half a cup of water. And I still have this set on saute. That's going to give us a jump on the pressure cooking time for it to come up to temperature. I'm going to add in a half a cup of brown sugar, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys. If you go over here, that's fine. That'll make them that much more better. I'm going to add in a half a cup of ketchup. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. I'll turn my pressure cooker off because that's cooking up pretty good there. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. And you want to be careful with this because liquid smoke is pretty potent stuff. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to add in a half a cup of barbecue sauce. And Holly's phone keeps going off. Dexter's quiet today, now I have Holly. So I'm going to give that a stir. I'm going to add my beans back in. You can also use navy beans or Great Northern beans if you can't find pinto beans dry. Whatever you can get will work. I'm going to give this a stir to combine everything. I'm going to put my lid on here and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, our baked beans are done. They're ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made barbecue pork chops and got some store-bought Amish potato salad to go with this. I don't know why I'm digging in that. Guess I'm hungry for it. Let me try the baked beans out, guys. Beans are tender. Get that good barbecue flavor from barbecue sauce and the brown sugar sweetness. Got a little bit of smokiness from the liquid smoke. A little bit of acidity from the mustard and the vinegar. They're really delicious, guys, and they weren't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker old-fashioned baked beans. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.